Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to introduce you how to create an avatar on Instagram app accordingly. In the new update, creating an avatar feature was developed for Instagram. So let's begin to create an avatar on Instagram. Before you start, make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram app. First, go to Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Tap on the icon with three lines in the upper right. A tab should appear. Tap on Settings. Then tap on the Account option. Here you can see the Avatars option. Tap on the Avatars option. Now tap on Get Started. Here we see different skin colors for the avatars we will create. Choose a skin color according to what color you want your avatar to be. Then tap on the Next button. After choosing the color of the avatar, we choose the hairstyle for the avatar. Scroll down and you can see the different type of hairstyles such as short, medium or long hairstyles. Choose the one you prefer and tap on the next icon to see different hair color options. After you choose the hair color for your avatar, tap on the next icon to change your avatar's face shape. You can also choose face markings and face lines for your avatar. By going through the next options, you can see more different features to add to your avatar, such as bindi, eyewear, body types, outfits, and so on. After your adjustments are finished, tap on the Done button on the right corner. Then tap on the Save Change button. To complete the process, tap on the Next button. Thus, the process of creating an avatar on Instagram app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.